And thank you very much, DigiPay, for inviting me to be one of the keynote speakers at your amazing event here in Sofia.
We had a very dynamic discussion about cards versus account-to-account payments. So for sure, this type of discussions will be very useful in the future.
It was a pleasure being part of the DigiPay.
I believe that DigiPay is a place to be for everyone who would like to understand better the Bulgarian market. So I highly recommend to join DigiPay next year.
Това, което ми направи страхотно впечатление, мисля, че беше много ценно на тази конференция, че имаше представители както на български, така и на европейски регулатор.
Можем да се съберем и да говорим както за сигурността на плащанията, така и за развитието на платежните системи.
I thought the conference has been absolutely phenomenal so far, and I think Rail Achiever has done a brilliant job organising this conference.
I will definitely come back next year.
Congrats to the organizations.